I do teach electrical engineering courses, and on top of it I do work on research projects mainly related to incorporating renewable energy resources into main grid, and also I do work on some service activities in the college and also in the community and in the electrical engineering profession. My research has twofold. So the one is it's purely technical, which involves management of power systems with renewable energy resources and tackling the voltage stability issue of power systems while utilizing the solar panels and wind turbines and those green resources. And the second aspect of my research is that I do work on educational research. I really like to work with students. I really like them to be successful in their careers when they graduate, and I really like them to be able to do a top-notch research, and also will be helpful to the community when they graduate. So basically, what motivates me, and also this type of positions that I'm currently in is like they are very much giving us a freedom of choice on the research and also in the teaching. So literally, we do control our own destiny, and we basically do the best things that possible that we can do. So that is basically what makes my life interesting and happy. I always happy to come to work and collaborate with my colleagues and work with students. If anyone has enthusiasm about, like, let's say, saving the world, making things better, more greener, so the electrical engineering offers a lot of things for those students and for those people. So they will love to work on this type of projects. If anyone has an interest in teaching and also research, they will be able to join this type of an institution, and they will basically enjoy their time working with students and also working with their technical research or scientific research. And also there are tons of other opportunities in the teaching educational level of research as well, not only technical side of things. So they will be able to work with students, they will be able to work on the technical research and also educational research. So they will enjoy it.